arrived somewhere. Actually, we don't know exactly where we are. We just check out and we are going to check somewhere else. I don't know exactly what is the plan, but we are going to Blue Lagoon and we are going to check it out. Arrived here. We can go for kayaking, surfing or other things, but I think we are going for hiking. And my concern right now is we couldn't find any supermarket on the way and we don't have any water. And this is my main concern. I'm so thirsty and I see a car that's selling water. We are going to buy water and head to another location. I think we are exploring wells in one day. We got the water. We are now in the center of Wales, in the Brecon Beacons National Park. We've been here once, but not this place, another part of the national park. Now we are just going to explore for 1 hour and then head back to London. It seems so quiet and there is no one. Our adventures in Wales came to the end and now we are heading back to London. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to push down the button below and subscribe. See you in next video.